In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Zoom app in laptop step by step. To get started, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any other browser you normally use on your laptop. Once your browser is open, head to the official Zoom Download Center. This is the safest place to download Zoom, and using the official site helps you avoid unofficial files or outdated versions. When the Zoom Download Center loads, look for the section called Zoom Workplace for Windows. At this point, it's important to choose the version that matches your laptop. You may see options like 32-bit, 64-bit, or ARM64. If you already know which version your system uses, go ahead and select the correct one. If you're unsure, just take a moment to check your laptop system type before downloading, so you install the right version the first time. After that, click the download button. The Zoom installer should begin downloading automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer. While you wait, make sure the download completes fully before opening the file. Once the download is finished, open your downloads folder, find the Zoom installer file, which is usually named something like zoominstaller.exe, and double-click it to begin the installation. If your laptop asks for permission to allow the app to make changes, approve the prompt so the installation can continue. Now follow the on-screen installation prompts. In most cases, Zoom installs very quickly and doesn't require much input. Just let the installer run and wait for the setup process to finish completely. It's a good idea not to close the installer window until everything is done. When the installation is complete, open Zoom Workplace. You can usually launch it from your desktop if a shortcut appears there, or by finding it in the Start menu. Opening it for the first time may take a moment, so that's completely normal. Finally, decide how you want to use Zoom. If you already have an account, click Sign In and log in. If you don't need an account and only want to join someone else's meeting, click Join a Meeting instead. That option is useful if you've been sent a meeting ID and just want quick access without setting up anything extra. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Zoom on your laptop, and you're ready to start using it for meetings, classes, or calls.